ट्रिपल के है, ट्रिपल सक्सेसफुल है, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई ऑलवेज से दिस, पिक्चरें तीन चीज़ों की वजह से चलती है: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट। और ये एंटरटेनमेंट है ऑफ द लेजिट क्रेडिबल ऑर्डर।
हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है, मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती। मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever and
Forever,
ever.
I'm sure, I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है, आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that, okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together. And whatever we've done, we've always been super successful. And I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, you know, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important. And I'm so happy that in my career graph, I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors. And I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much. And yeah, that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will. One thing that, you know, I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller, you know. जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है, आप, you know, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great, great fun experience of a crime thriller.
I've worked with Kareena on 4 films now. I have had, like, this Full House, very few actors I have been able to get, you know. She gets that, she is a star, but also a great actor. Like, when we had got Crew as a script, my only condition to Riya was, this is Kareena, बाकी casting आप कर लो, बाकी हम देख लेंगे, ये मुझे करीना चाहिए. Because I was very sure that there is a certain youthfulness and style that she brings on screen. This was probably a complete metamorphosis, the Buckingham Murders. And I thought that, you know, we have a woman with stature, with power. Stories cannot be brought out in public, in the medium that is run totally by men, totally by a different kind of commerce, unless you use your intelligence to make it commercial, at the same time support it with a great actor and a great star. And I knew that for that the actor has to agree. He has to be okay to put himself out there on a different film. And the only one I was sure was as brave and legitimate as far as stardom goes was Kareena. So we approached her. We had decided that if she says yes, this film will be made. And she came on board as an actor and a producer. Women and their safety is not just the industry issue, it's any woman at workplace issue. And we take this very seriously. And like I said, a lot of women have to now lead so that a lot of women can join forces. And to that, producing a film, two female producers coming together and making a film telling a crime story which is sorted by a female officer is also a step at creating some kind of safety and some kind of power. You see, we have to change the agency from men to women and equalize the agency. A lot of places we need women on the top and at least running companies. And for that, women also have to make an initiative. And like I said, the report will come, we will read more about it, but a conscious effort to keep a safe environment for women at any place at work. A big part of it will be women leading professional jobs. And I think that has to start happening. It's still a very slanted place. Thank you.